Hi students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. Our today topic is the different types of problems based on the graph. Okay, first problem, a car accelerates from rest at a constant rate alpha for some time, after which it deaccelerates at a constant rate beta to come to rest. If the total time elapsed is t seconds, then evaluate the maximum velocity reached and the total distance traveled. Okay, this is the very simple problem, students. In this accelerate at constant rate, use the velocity time graph. The car accelerates the time t1 and deaccelerates at time t2. Therefore, total time taken t is equal to t1 plus t2. This is the equation number 1. From the graph, velocity time graph, first to the body from rest at constant accelerates from rest in this way to reach a maximum height, students, a v maximum, and deaccelerate at a constant rate beta to come to rest position. Okay, this is the O, this is the A. When this first one t1 is time t1, the next time is t2. The totally t1 t is equal to t1 plus t2. Okay, first the slope of OA is equal to O2A. Then alpha is equal to that constant rate alpha is equal to making an angle. This angle is alpha is equal to that is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is the v maximum by t1. Then t1 is equal to v maximum by alpha. This is equation number 2. Okay, slope OA is equal to OA, that is the angle alpha. So at constant rate alpha is equal to v maximum by t1, then t1 is equal to v maximum by alpha. This is the equation number 2. Next slope A, and this is the B, A to B. The acceleration is decreases, that is a deaccelerate at constant rate. Then slope AB, that beta is equal to v maximum by t2, that t2 is equal to v maximum by beta. This is equation number 2. Okay, from this is equation number 3. From equation 1, 2 and 3, equation 1 that is t is equal to t1 plus t2, the t is equal to t1 plus t2, t is equal to t1 is v maximum by alpha plus this is the v maximum by beta. Next v maximum is common, v maximum into the cross multiplication, take LCM, alpha plus beta by alpha into beta is equal to t. Then v maximum is equal to alpha beta into t by alpha plus beta. This is the maximum velocity reach. V maximum is equal to alpha beta t by alpha plus beta. The next the total distance. The total distance in this triangle, students, in this graph, in this graph this is the which shape? This is a triangle shape. So total distance or total displacement, the total distance, so what shape? It's a triangular shape. The total is the time taken, students, that is the t. The triangle shape, the area under the total distance, the total displacement is equal to area under velocity time graph. That is equal to half into the base. Base is equal to t into height v maximum, then half into t into v maximum alpha beta t by alpha plus beta, that is equal to 1 by 2 into alpha beta t square by alpha plus beta. This is the total distance traveled. It's a very important problem, students. The first one is a particle is let car accelerate at constant rate of alpha, and to reach the maximum velocity, to reach the maximum height, then it deaccelerated. Deaccelerated means the change in velocity is decreases with respect to time taken. The deaccelerated at constant rate beta from to come to rest position. Okay, then find out this problem. Is a very easy problem. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. Hi students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. So our today topic, the different problems based on the graph. The first problem, students, a particle is projected upwards with velocity 40 meter per second, taking the value of g is equal to 10 meter per second square, and upward direction as positive. Plot acceleration time graph, velocity time graph, and position time graph of the particle from the starting point till it further strikes the ground. Okay, in this problem, so particle is projected upward with the velocity. The first velocity is the initial velocity. Initial velocity u is equal to 40 meter per second, taking the value of g is equal to 10 meter per second. Okay, first so time of ascent and time of descent, the two are equal. First write given data u is equal to 40 meter per second, then g is equal to 10 meter per second square. Okay, time of ascent is equal to time of descent, that is equal to u by g. U by g 40 by 10, that is equal to 4 seconds. 10 ones, so 10 fours. Okay, 4 seconds. The time of ascent is equal to time of descent is equal to 4 seconds. Therefore, so total time is equal to TA plus TD, time of ascent, time of descent, that is equal to 8 seconds. So then body, it will reach at a maximum height. The maximum height formula, H maximum is equal to u square by 2g. U square, 40 into 40 by 2 into 10 2's, that is equal to 80 meter. Okay, total time is equal to 8 seconds. Then maximum height, the particle it will reach maximum height, that is equal to 80 meter. Then plot the different type of graph, acceleration time, velocity time and displacement time graph of the particle from the starting point till it further strikes the ground. Okay, the first to discuss the position acceleration time graph. AT graph. The total time already discussed, t is equal to 8 seconds and maximum height h maximum is equal to 80 meter. Take a plot the graph. So time and acceleration, this is the 8 second, is a downward. First is upward, the projectile is upward, that is a minus 10. Okay, acceleration time graph, so moving in this way. This is the acceleration time graph. The next velocity time graph. Time acting along the x-axis and positive, upward is a positive v, so downward is a negative v. This is the positive 40 meter, this is the negative 40 meter per second. Okay, in this one the velocity is decreases 4 and this is the 8. It decreases 40 meter per, it is a 40 meter to 0 meter. Then in downward direction, downward way, the velocity is increases from 0 to 40. 0 to 40 up to this way. Okay, this is the displacement is decreasing from 40 meter to 0 meter. Then the velocity is increases from 0 to minus 40. In this negative sign indicates the particle is downward direction. This is the velocity time. The next one is a displacement time or position time graph. ST graph. The first is the displacement increases in forward direction up to maximum height, that is 80 meter. Then the particle is decreases 80 to 0. First, the displacement is increases 0 to plus 80 meter to reach maximum height. then the displacement is decreases zero to 80 meter to 0 meter. This is the position time graph. This is a very important in NEET and IIT mains and IIT advanced level. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.